Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on add new tasks on top feature Microsoft To Do in computer. So how to turn on add new tasks on top feature Microsoft To Do in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft To Do on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft To Do. To turn on add new tasks on top feature, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there is a profile account. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the settings menu. Now here it is in the settings menu. Now in the general menu. There are many menu options that can be used. Tap Add New Tasks on top to turn it on. If the feature is enabled, new tasks will appear at the top of the list. This is useful if you want to focus on the latest tasks without having to scroll down. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on add new tasks on top feature Microsoft To Do in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.